Are your QuickTime application failing because of the QTML Client Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To start our guide for Qtml Client Library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Qtml Client Library, the QuickTime Media Layer QTML client. It facilitates the unmanaged communication between localized Windows applications and the legacy QuickTime Media engine, mandatory for 32-bit localized software to render .movie files. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. To restore Qtml Client Library DLL, we need to address the underlying graphics runtime. I recommend installing the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime package to refresh your legacy DirectX components, followed by a GPU driver update to ensure your OpenCL or CUDA frameworks are current. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Qtml Client Library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lockt/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Qtml Client Library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Qtml Client Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Qtml Client Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.